Good evening, I'm Shameka Neely. Governor Daniels is urging state lawmakers to move forward with an aggressive education system, citing more money should be pumped into alternative schools. Wilmington New Technology Principal Alan Veach says he's glad the governor wants education to be at the forefront, but not at the expense of students' futures.
I don't think we can go wrong with a state that has its total focus on education and improving education for all stakeholders, no matter where you're at. It's a little scary to think that private schools will continue to get public school funding, because we all already know that, especially here in Monroe County, that our budget is tight. Even with the tremendous generosity of our community passing the referendum and those dollars, we know that we're going to need every dime we have. And to think that some of that might go to other places is, it's scary.
IU School of Education Dean Gerardo Gonzalez says that millions of dollars in financial cuts made to education could hamper some school systems. He says the governor identifies improving teacher quality and extending school days as major priorities.
What worries me, though, is that we are taking money potentially out of traditional public schools in order to promote vouchers or charter schools, when the public schools will still need to serve the needs of every child. So the voucher proposal concerns me a great deal, because in effect what that would do is take funding that is sorely needed in the public schools and direct it to private schools.
Gonzalez says that the state should also do more effective jobs to support early childhood education. A bill to ban smoking in public places in Indiana will include a major exemption. Members of the House of Public Health Committee will vote next week to allow smoking in casinos, but the projected loss of revenue from patrons who go to neighboring states to smoke and gamble was far too great for lawmakers to ignore. And now let's take a look at your weather. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows around 14. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, highs in the upper 20s. Tomorrow night, cloudy with a 20% chance of snow.